In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video in Elementor. Whether you're incorporating an engaging introduction for your website visitors or just showcasing a piece of content, adding video can significantly enhance your site's interactivity. And with Elementor, this process is both intuitive and efficient. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page where you'd like to embed the video. If you're starting a new page, ensure you have Elementor installed and activated. Elementor is a powerful tool that facilitates dragging and dropping widgets, making it perfect for those who aren't technically inclined but still want a great-looking website. Once you're on the correct page, click Edit with Elementor. This will take you to the Elementor editor interface. The next step is to locate the video widget from the Elementor panel on the left-hand side. Elementor offers a wide array of widgets, but for our purpose, you can either scroll through the list or use the search bar located at the top to find the widget quickly. Once you've located it, click on it, and drag it to the section of the page where you want the video to appear. With the widget in place, it's time to set up your video. On the left panel, you'll notice a field labeled Link. This is where you'll paste the URL of the video you want to embed. Whether your video is hosted on YouTube, Vimeo, or another platform, ensure the link is copied correctly from your hosting site. Simply paste the link into the field, and you will see the video appear immediately on your page. This live preview functionality is one of the best features of Elementor, as it allows you to see changes in real time. Now that you have the video in place, you might want to customize its settings to fit seamlessly with your site's design. Under the Content tab, you'll find options such as Start Time and End Time to configure exactly how and when the video plays. This can be particularly useful if you need the video to start at a specific point. There's also an option for Play on Mobile, which ensures that your video plays smoothly on all devices. You'll also have settings for the player controls and a toggle for autoplay, mute, and loop options. Customizing these options can make your video more interactive and engaging. Before you finish up, consider adjusting the style settings to ensure the video's appearance ties in with the rest of your site's design. You can alter things like the widget's width, height, and alignment. Once you're satisfied with everything, make sure to hit Update or Publish to save your changes, and voila! Your video is now embedded seamlessly into your site through Elementor. And there you have it. Embedding a video in Elementor is a simple process that can vastly improve the quality and interactivity of your website. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our videos for additional tutorials.